This video will show you change the lock screen clock on your Samsung Galaxy phone using the latest One UI settings. Follow these simple steps to customize the clock style, color, size, and more. Start by opening the settings applications. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper and Style. This is where Samsung lets you personalize both your home screen and lock screen. Next, tap the lock screen preview. This opens the lock screen customization editor, where you can modify different elements without unlocking your phone every time to check the results. Now tap directly on the clock widget displayed on the preview. Samsung will open the clock customization menu, giving you several options to personalize its appearance. First, choose your preferred clock style. Depending on your phone model and One UI version, you'll see multiple digital clocks, analog clocks, calendar-style clocks, and other modern designs. Browse through the available options and select the one that best matches your style. After selecting a style, customize the font if available. Some clock styles allow you to change the font design and adjust the boldness, making the clock easier to read or giving it a cleaner appearance. Next, change the clock color. You can select one of Samsung's preset colors or use the color picker to create a custom color that matches your wallpaper or theme. You can also adjust the clock size by dragging the white handles around the clock. Make it larger for better visibility or smaller for a cleaner lock screen. If you want the clock in a different location, simply press and drag it anywhere within the available area. If your Samsung Galaxy is running One UI 8 or a newer version, you may also have access to the dynamic clock feature. When enabled, the clock automatically shifts its position based on your wallpaper, creating a more modern and interactive look while helping important parts of your wallpaper remain visible. While you're on the customization page, you can also manage additional lock screen information. Turn the date, weather, and face widgets on or off, depending on what you'd like to see without unlocking your phone. These widgets provide quick access to useful information while keeping your lock screen organized. Once you're happy with your changes, tap Done or Save in the top corner to apply the new settings. Your customized lock screen clock will appear immediately. We hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Samsung and Android how-to videos.